Why do 1 in 100,000 people experience chronic hiccups? Let's dive into the weird world of never-ending hiccups. Okay folks, get this. Charles Osborne hiccuped for 68 years. Yep, you heard that right. From 1922 to 1990, this poor guy hiccuped an estimated 430 million times. Now you might be thinking, how does that even happen? Well, hiccups are caused by the diaphragm, that funky little muscle under your lungs. When the nerves that control it get irritated, it's hiccup city. In most cases, hiccups last a few minutes, but sometimes they stick around for months or even years. Doctors think Charles's hiccup marathon started after a farm accident. Talk about bad luck. The good news? Most of us will never face a hiccup marathon.